Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mary Ellen. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell for notifications. Today we are going to create an autumn decoration. This is a really fun craft to make. You can do it on your own, get the entire family involved, and best yet, it is so versatile that you can utilize it at home or in a school environment. In order to create our fall craft, we are going to need a carvable foam pumpkin, a glue gun, jute rope, a marker, a pair of scissors, a scrap of fabric. The piece used here is 24 inches by 31 inches. We are also going to need a metal tray, which will be used to trace a nice round circle, a piece of foil to help create a pumpkin stem, and a knife for pumpkin cutting. First, we remove the stem. Then we take our marker and trace the size of hole we want to cut in the top of our pumpkin. We just used a knife from our drawer. However, you could probably also use one of the tools that comes with a pumpkin carving kit. If you're doing this as a school art craft, you might need to complete this part at home. Now we are going to take our fabric and lay it out flat. Again, our piece measures 24 inches by 31 inches. You notice that the tray that we are tracing is pretty large, but we need to make sure that our circle is big enough for the next step. Alright, so we got our circle all cut out now, so we're going to put the pattern side down on the table. Then we place our pumpkin on top of it. Now we're going to pull up the sides of the material and smooth it out and stick it into the hole that we cut in the top of the pumpkin. You just continue to smooth, fluff, pull, and play with your material until you're happy with what your pumpkin looks like. Our pumpkin is really starting to take shape. So we're going to pause on it and work a little bit on the stem. Now we take our stem that came with the carvable pumpkin and put a little bit of hot glue on one side. The long piece of foil is going to be wrapped around it in order to give us length to our stem. As we are rolling it, we're going to think about and start forming the stem. We're going to put hot glue periodically throughout the foil so that it holds securely. And then we also put hot glue on for the last roll. Once it's all rolled up, we finish forming it into a shape that we like and test it on our pumpkin. To finish up our stem, we wrap the jute rope on it. The first wrap can be a little bit challenging. However, after that, it takes right off and looks amazing at the end. Our stem is done now, so we're going to set that aside and use the jute rope to create some distinguishable grooves on our pumpkin. You will notice that the end of the rope just gets pushed into the hole on the top of the pumpkin. We are using scissors here to push the rope into the pumpkin. However, we did switch over and start using the marker later on. Our very last step. First, we test out our stem on the pumpkin and make sure that we like the angle and the placement. Then we put a little bit of hot glue on to secure it down. And ta-da! We have our fall pumpkin masterpiece. Let me know down in the comments if you complete this craft. If it was with your family, for yourself as an adult, or in the classroom. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.